Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sri Siddhi Kids Classes. So today we learn and write the words names. Let's start. First, P E C O C K, peacock. Second, P A double R O T, parrot. Third, C R O W, crow. Fourth, D U C K, duck. Fifth, B A T, bat. Sixth, O W L, owl. Seventh, H E N, hand. Thanks for watching.